came from my friend's birthday party, and this is a return gift I got. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what I got from the birthday party, the return gift. So first let's open this ribbon. So now I'm gonna do some magic and open it. Abracadabra, gilly gilly shoo. Open. It came out. There we go. We're just gonna keep that over here. So first we have, there's a lot. So we have this. It's a waffle. It's like, I think, mint waffle flavor, like pineapple flavor. Next, what is this? It's an Anna Zara. I want to do this. You want to open it? Okay, let's open it. Yeah. How do you open it? The bow came out. Oh, you open it from the back. I want to just open it fast. Okay, let's open it. It's opening. Where is this gonna go? Yeah. It's gonna go there. It's like a shampoo bottle. Come on, get out. Get out. There we go. So it's this. Oh, it's perfume. So guys, this is a Zara perfume. It's from Zara. It's Frozen 2, Disney Frozen 2. Guys, this is a perfume from Zara, and also it has the character Anya from Frozen. Anna, not Anya, because I have a friend named Anya and I get confused. So yeah. Next we have a 5-star chocolate. You guys want it? Eat it. Okay, we're just gonna keep that over there. I'm gonna give it to somebody. And next, we have this little fan thingy. It's this little fan. Okay, let's open it. How do you open it? It's the magic reveal of the fan. Ooh. See, you have to do it like this. Yes, Wanda? So now Fanny is done. Mr. Fanny, you are now going out of the show because you didn't dance well and put the fan well. But you did it really big. So yeah, you get half. No,
now
you
need
7
that
out of 10.
You need this fan in summers now. It's much needed.
Okay, we have this. Okay, so we got popcorn. Ah, it's dripping. It's leaking. So guys, these are some hot things, and these are some chips, and these are some biscuits. They're all stuck together. And then what we have last is this pillow. It's tied? I guess so. Okay, it's Avengers. You put it on like this. Hello! And on flights you just leave like that. With this pillow. So yeah, that's it. We don't have anything else. The popcorn? You seeing the popcorn?
This box, Kyra.
Oh, this is there? I don't think that's gonna open. Oh, this is worth it! मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था. ये क्या बात है? Tell me now. Double. But it's swinging tower. You have to like put these blocks turn by turn, like it's in a box, and then if it falls down, you lose. That person that makes it falls down, that person loses. It's a really fun game. I'm really excited. I also wonder if there are any more secret things. But I'm also gonna play this with my papa. I'm gonna call him and we're gonna show you how to play it. Yay! Yay! So guys, this is a game and I'm playing with my dad. So first you set it up like this. You put this thing over here and then you put this over here. And then you take one card like that. See, I got this shape. So that means I have to put this card. Okay, I'm going to put mine like this. Papa, it's your turn.
Can you put the card back? I also got the same.
Same. So you have to use this one. Put this anywhere. And if you make it all fall, like all of it, then you lose and I win.
So basically you have to balance.
It's called balance. Ooh, this.
Do we have to put the card back?
This one. Yeah, we have to put the card back. See, red, yellow and green. So this is Papa's card and you have to put this. So you should keep it here. Is it really messy?
Something inside.
There we go. It went. That's such a nice, perfect fit. And same one.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
You lost.
No, just
one point
no,
for
stop.
doing that.
Okay, it's your turn. I get the square.
Square is this one.
Oh,
Yellow.
Squeezy, lemon squeezy.
Easy lemon squeezy.
Your
And
turn.
it's lemon color too.
Put the card back.
Lemon color is yellow.
Your turn.
Put this. I want this one. It's below. It's called my name. Okay, which one? This one. I'll put it like that. Oh!
Also got the same. Put it.
No, it's not this one. You got the same one, nah. So it's not this one. It is.
This one?
No.
I think this
Can
one.
you guys find it?
This
oh,
one.
this one.
Okay, yes, it's this one.
I am gonna choose this one.
Oh, it's fell.
You lost 1 point to me. Hee
Shall we put it back now?
Take away a block on the stage.
Okay.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
What is this? I cut this one now. Give me a
Put this shape on the block of this. You have to put this. This. Wait, show me. What is?
Yes,
how
it's the
to do
same one. I
this?
think so.
Yeah, this one.
Give me. Ah,
You lost.
everything fell. I lose. Oh.
Papa lost. Papa lost.
Kara is the winner, the ultimate champion. Okay.
Now let's actually take Papa, okay?
Want to play the game?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Let's start.
Let's get out the video. Bye guys, and I hope you liked the video. And bye to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.